Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Come on, join the family if you're new to the page by hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. I am determined to do this stock video in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, okay? First, this is brought to you by the Moo trading platforms. Okay, you're gonna get up to 8%, 8.1%, and up to 15 free stock. Just by putting in $100, you're going to get what, 5 free stock, and then 1,000 you get 10 more, plus 8.1% on your unused money. Let's get right into it. So let's look at this. Read this, good people. All right, this is part of the video that I was playing for you guys on yesterday. Look at this. Trump is about to get $3 billion richer after deal approves, okay, to take his company public, which is True Social, via the unspacking of dwac, right? But it won't solve his money problems, right? So we're not getting into politics. I'm going to say this again, and I've always said it, right? This, because of the way it enters into the stock market, it's not a traditional path or an IPO, initial public offering. It is a SPAC, special purpose acquisition company, okay? And these just don't do well. This company is extremely overvalued. You've been warned, all right? Extremely overvalued. If it wasn't for the name Donald Trump, this company would not, especially this SPAC, would not be this price before the unspacking. Take your politics out, take your emotions out of it, just look on the facts. Now, you go, hey, yeah, this is gonna take off. It's just gonna skyrocket. Well, the sell-off has already begun, okay? Now, it still could be a pop-up, but the sell-off has already begun. So what did I do? All right, look at the top. So I made about 35%, I believe it was, and with one contract because it was expensive, as you can see the top QQQ, right? And it's one of those things where I always set as you could see, the expiration date. I have time, April 26th, and so it's one of those things where if you get out of your emotions and just see what's going on, you will make more money, right? If you're emotional about this stock, then you are the example of what institutions, not Larry, institutions call you dumb money because you're trading on emotions, okay? I'm just telling you, all right? And I know some of you guys are going to, yeah, but Trump, this, Trump. This has nothing to do with Trump. This is a SPAC. Well, it does. But this is a SPAC, good people. All right? Let's keep it moving. Apple. Let's look at Apple. Apple is up about 1%. And Apple, being the giant that it is, of course, is under attack by the DOJ. All right? But you could see it's been down year to date. It's been down and it's been under attack. Okay? So it hasn't performed well, with lagging sales, right? Now you have the DOJ saying that they are a monopoly, which I disagree. In some ways they are a monopoly, and then in some ways they aren't. Listen, Apple is going to continue. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Meta, those companies are going to be under constant attack for years by the DOJ. That doesn't affect my decision on this stock. I do believe, just like I said yesterday, that this will be the year to buy it. Is it right now? Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. But for me, it's not time yet. It's got lower to go. It's like that island guy dancing under the stick. How low can you go? That's what we're looking at with Apple, okay? Also, too, in the same breath, Tesla's coming down, right? It's just coming down. It was down in the 160s, like 165 earlier today. Now it's back up to 170, but look at year to date, still down by 31%. But, yeah, Larry, Elon is so smart. Again, emotional trading, that's not, the institutions, not Larry. Again, They're calling you dumb money because it's all on emotions. Have I written off Tesla? No. I plan on having goo gobs of Tesla stock, but not right now. I forestated. What I'm going to do is I may, if it comes down low enough, I may buy some now. I have very little now because I sold a lot in profit. Okay. I'm just talking about my swing trades in Tesla. But I do believe that the worst of it will be after the election when they limit some of the restrictions that they have on gas vehicles in the EPA. Follow? So you gotta look at the entire puzzle, see what's happening fundamentally, then look at the charts. That's what I always preach, okay? So they all work together. So now, here's another one. Reddit. Reddit is down by about 5%, 4.99%, okay? And just like I said on yesterday, I try to warn people. This is what happens when they're overvalued. A lot of people just want to buy as soon as they open and then realize they could have bought it 12% later. Look at that. On the same day they could have bought it. Look at this. Look at this. See that? March 21. They could have had the stock 13% less, right? In hours by just not being an emotional trader and learning these fundamentals. Okay. Where can you learn these fundamentals? Right here. Stock Up You. Stock Up You is going to make you money. It's going to save you money. That's going to be the second link below. The first link will be Moo. The second link will be Stock Up You. Learn how I did these options. Speaking of options, let's look at this. Did this, right? Look at the bottom, QQQ, right? Now, market is, let's take a look and see what the market is doing right now because it wasn't looking well earlier. But as you could see here, the Dow is down, right? NASDAQ is actually up by 42%. So the NASDAQ has turned around while the Dow is down, right? So, Larry, why'd you enter into that play? Because I was looking at the charts this morning. I was looking at the momentum this morning and seeing the directions that it has. And I still have some shares left because this could turn around by the end of the day. Okay, so we want to keep an eye on that. When you're doing the Qs or you're playing the SPY, you cannot set it and forget it. You cannot set it and walk away. Okay, you must monitor it minute by minute, second by second, because there could be a quick reversal and flush out all of your money. All right, so that's all of the things that I wanted to cover. I think I covered Reddit. Okay, there will be a good time, a better time to buy Reddit. The time is not right now. Apple, there will be a better time to buy Apple. That time is not right now. For me, dwac, I'm only doing puts right now. There could be, and there's probably going to be another bounce up. But as you can see, there's already profit taking. Okay. And so what institutional money does is they lure you to the top and then you start buying at the top. Right. And then they flush it. Okay. And then they take their profits and leave. But because they're 80% of the buying power, just the fact of them taking their profits and leaves causes the stock to fall and then your bag holding. Okay. So listen, whether you click any of my links or not, I want you to study and learn how to make money every day. Learn what the big boys do. Learn what smart money do, and you can make money every day. Most of my money, I'm in and out of the stock market to be honest with you, about the first hour and a half of the stock market, I'm out. Because there's a saying, and I believe it to be true, only amateurs are trading midday and really midweek. Most big money, like, guys that have big bags, Mondays and Fridays, right? They're out the first hour of the day. They're gone. They're on the golf courses while we're sitting here trying to figure things out. Where are we on time? We at 9:30. Guess what, people? We're going to leave it right there. You know what I'm going to do? Just for old time's sakes, I'm going to play us out with, let's see here. Can I find it? Can I find it? Yeah, here we go. Guys, here we go with the outro. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. What's up, good people?